Today we're covering poured concrete versus concrete pavers. Key differences. Here's what you need to know. Poured concrete costs 6 to 12 per square foot. Pavers run 10 to 25 per square foot. Concrete is faster and seamless. Pavers offer design flexibility and easier repairs. Compare durability, maintenance, and ROI for driveways and patios. Quick answer. Poured concrete costs 6 to 12 per square foot and cures in 7 days. Pavers run 10 to 25 per square foot and are walkable immediately. Concrete is monolithic and cheaper. Pavers offer design flexibility and individual unit replacement. Both last 25, 40+ years with proper maintenance. Choosing between poured concrete and concrete pavers is one of the most common decisions homeowners face when building or resurfacing a driveway, patio, or pool deck. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We work with both materials daily and help homeowners understand the real differences: cost, durability, installation speed, maintenance burden, and design options. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. You pay nothing until the work is finished, and we fund all materials and labor up front. This post cuts through marketing noise and gives you the numbers, timelines, and trade-offs so you can decide which method fits your project and budget. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in both poured concrete slabs and permeable paver installations for driveways, patios, and pool decks throughout NC service areas. Poured concrete typically costs 6 to 12 per square foot. Pavers range 10 to 25 per square foot depending on material and finish. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and all materials and labor are funded up front. This structure protects against deposit and disappear patterns common in the industry. Both methods offer distinct advantages in durability, maintenance demand, and visual impact, making the choice dependent on project goals and long-term cost of ownership. Moving on to cost comparison. Concrete versus pavers. The upfront cost is usually the first factor homeowners consider, and it's where poured concrete pulls ahead. A poured concrete driveway runs between 6 and 12 per square foot installed, including labor, materials, and basic finishing. For a standard 500 square foot driveway, that's $3,000 to $6,000. Concrete pavers cost significantly more, 10 to 25 per square foot depending on material type, clay brick, natural stone, permeable concrete units, and finish quality. That same 500 square foot driveway in pavers costs $5,000 to $12,500. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.